Hi. So welcome back to yet another video. My name is Nehat, and in case you're new here, I do a lot of fashion and styling videos. And in case if this interests you, please subscribe to my channel. So for today's video, as you must have assumed by the title, it's a vlog on a shopping haul. So I have gone ahead and I've shopped quite a few accessories because I wanted to do a lot of get ready with me for multiple series. If you haven't checked that out, I have done a wedding wear series, 10 videos on it where, I've styled different outfits that you can wear as a wedding guest. So probably you can go ahead and check that out. And today I have this haul wherein I have curated multiple accessories, mostly, which you can wear on Western wear because I've already done the Indian ethnic outfit and I've already worn those jewelry out there. So I needed some fresh pair. So here's what I have for today's video. So to begin with, I have these earrings. I don't know if y'all can see really, but these are like tiny teddies, and then this is like a snowman kind of thing, and then that's like a tiny hoop. I'll probably wear it one by one so y'all can probably have a look. And I have multiple earrings, I have a few necklaces, rings. So yeah, there are like multiple of those. So let me start with this. This is the first one, and that's how it looks. Looks pretty cool, right? I mean, you can definitely wear this on a day-to-day basis on your, regular outings. So that's one. It's got like geometric triangular things and it's a tiny hoop. So that was the first one. Now, up next, I have another one, which is this snowman. I've just named it snowman because the shape is like that of a snowman. Let me just put this on and show you all quickly. So that's how this looks. That's the second one. I'll do this a little quickly so this doesn't get dragged. So finally I have this, which is a tiny teddy bear, and this is how it looks. Up next I have these earrings. Again, there are like three pairs. These two are like tiny hoops, and then like this one is heart shaped. So I'll show these as well one by one. This is like a very thick. That's how it looks. So that's one. The other one is this. It's got three stripes. That's how it looks on. And then the final heart one is here, and this is how it looks. So these are the three other ones, and then finally the third one are these. Again, these are like different designs of hoops. So let me try this twisted one first. That's how it looks. It's got this twisted design, and that's the size. So that's one. The other one has these tiny rings to it, I would say, like a caterpillar. So yeah, this is how it looks. So that's the other one. And then finally I have these plain hoops. It's just a little thick than the regular hoops, but yeah, you can wear these for like day-to-day outings, and that's how it looks on. So these were the earrings. So each one had three, and so total I had nine pair of earrings. So that's amazing. After that, let me show you all a few necklaces. So the first one is this. This is a very dainty chain, and then it's got these this design. That's how it's gonna look. So that's the first one. Up next, I have This is again very cute. There's a bow, and then this has like pearls. So that's the second one. That's how it's gonna look. It's got some pearls and rhinestones there. So that's the second one. I have another very pretty necklace, which is this. These are just, diamonds and a plain chain, and that's how it's gonna look. So that's the other one, and I have one more finally, and this is the last one. It's silver and it's got this cross with pink diamonds on it, and that's how it's gonna look. So yeah, these were the four necklaces. Besides that, I have ordered a bunch of rings, finger rings. So one of it is in silver. I'll just show you all a few. So it's got these kind of designs. So this is one. This is another. These come in multiple, um sizes and designs. So I just found it cute. So like these are like, I guess 15 of these tiny rings, and I also have similar ones, not exactly similar, but these are different designs but in golden. And again, this is very cute. So this is one, and it also has these vintage kind of thing. So these are really pretty. I mean, I got a whole bunch of these. These are again, I guess, 15, 16, uh, rings that I have out here. So, you can just pair it with multiple outfits. You can just do stacking, or maybe, you can use three, four rings every time with different outfit, which I'm going to be using, while I'm styling the looks now. So these were the items. And then finally, I have this. So that's what I got. Again, I'll be styling it with multiple looks, and it's metal golden colored. So that's the final item that I got. So all of these things that I have, I'm not sure how much did it costed me, but all of these things are pretty inexpensive. They're not very expensive. I've nothing is beyond, I guess, 300-400 rupees each. Like that's the maximum that one item would have costed me. So yeah, that's to do with the haul. And yeah, I shall see you all in the next video. Drop down in the comments if you liked these things, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.